What's in it this time? What is it? What is it? There's nothing in there. Where's the Tooth Fairy? We need the Tooth Fairy here. Here she comes. Here I am. Hi, guys. What do you got today? Ooh, let's see what we can do. Here we go. Bee. Wow. Ooh. Bee. It's a bee. Okay, let's try again. Let's see what's in there. Wow. Wow, it's a box. A big wood box. A beautiful box. Okay, let's see what we got. A basketball. A basketball. It's a basketball. Wow. A basketball. B for basketball. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got. Again, here we go. Woo! It is a baby bottle. It's a baby bottle. B for baby bottle.